Good morning, everyone. Just to begin, I wanted to let you guys know that I was wearing the Brunch Date palette. And then I'm wearing my L'Oreal Paradise Just Curious blush. I love this blush. And I am also wearing my Araza Natural Beauty Coconut Cream Foundation and my Il Maquillage Woke Up Like This foundation. These two pair very well together and I love them. Let's get started, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's stop talking and jump right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you product empties in this huge Sephora bag. These are a couple months worth of products that I have gone through, and I've just been collecting them so that I could do like an empties video. I am just gonna randomly pull things out of this bag. I'll try and give you a brief description of it and a little review as to what I thought of the product and maybe whether I'm gonna repurchase it. So I'm gonna start with the first item, the Origins Zero Oil Deep Pore Cleanser. If you have oily skin, you will love this cleanser. I use this in my morning skincare routine and I love this. This has really helped me, especially in the summertime. I feel like in the summertime my skin is just extra oily, so I like to use this as my cleanser in the morning. I have already purchased another one, so I have a backup of this. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just pulling out from this bag and going through each item. Alright, so next we have my Origins Ginzing Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. And completely empty. I go through lots of these and I cannot recommend these enough to my friends and family and my subscribers because this really makes or breaks my morning. This is a must in my skincare routine, especially my morning skincare routine. Sometimes I even sneak this into my night skincare routine because it's just so good. The Origins skincare line is where it's at. I recently went this lighter shade of blonde, and this is a lifesaver, you guys. If you ever think about going blonde or like bleaching your hair or going through an intense color process, you need this in your life. The original Olapex Hair Perfector is amazing. It is so moisturizing, but make sure that you leave this on for the designated 10 minutes because you really want everything you can get out of this. Seriously guys, a little bit of this goes a long way. I have the number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. If you do a lot of damaging things to your hair, make sure that you have products that will restore your hair and strengthen it. And this is one of those products that really does it for me. I continually go back to this. I already purchased another one, so yes, definitely would recommend this to you guys if you are doing a lot to your hair. This isn't meant to be a shampoo or conditioner. You put this on before you shampoo and condition your hair and it makes a huge difference. I cannot recommend this enough. I've been using this for a couple months now, and for the fact that I bleach my hair a lot and strip it of its natural oils and everything, my hair is in really good condition because of this guy right here. Definitely check this out, Olapex brand you can get at Sephora. So I've gone through a sample of the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce. This is like the anti-aging moisturizer, and I liked it. I don't think I would purchase this though. I wasn't too impressed with it. I have other skincare products that I know I will forever love, and so I'm not sure that I will be purchasing this, but I did enjoy the little sample size. Have the Colourpop Brow Bust Gel, and yes, I will be purchasing this forever. It is very affordable. I use this every day in my makeup look. I have a backup of this on my vanity. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is amazing for the summertime. When you put it on your face, it smells like watermelon. It's got like that sweet scent. And this actually is really great for those of you with oily skin. When you first put it on, it's kind of sticky, but it really sinks into your skin, and honestly, this is a really great primer. I would highly recommend this to those of you who have oily skin because I really liked this during the summer and it kind of helped control that excess oil. I certainly will be purchasing this again come summertime. This is the brand Kiehl's, and it's their Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask with Amazonian White Clay. It really does cleanse my pores, and I do see a difference in this, and I was really excited when I used this and I saw a difference right away. Once that VIP sale comes up, this will be one of those items that I will purchase in my little Sephora haul. Are y'all surprised that I brought this up? I have completely used this up. I love the scent of this, and they just recently came up with a Coco Cabana or something, like a coconut cream, and oh, I want to get that so bad, but I'm waiting for the sale to get it. I am showing self-restraint and waiting till the Sephora VIB sale. I don't know where the lid went to this, but I have completely gone through the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this. I got this after Jaclyn Hill recommended it, and I think also Kathleen Lights recommended this, so I think after watching one of their videos, I purchased it. And I love it. It really does set your makeup well. Sometimes my highlight, I'll use highlights that really don't fit my skin type, but if I spray this on top of it, it'll blend everything together and it'll look more natural. The price is pretty good. Morphe is pretty affordable, so yeah, I really like this. This is the Drunk Elephant Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I have not tried very many Drunk Elephant products, but I have heard so many people recommending these. I really enjoyed this serum. I feel like it really did make a difference, but as far as me being able to afford Drunk Elephant, not so much. I have been dying to try out Drunk Elephant. I know they are a great skincare brand, and I've heard so many YouTubers talking about them, Kathleen Lights, Casey Holmes. So I'll let you know when I can actually afford Drunk Elephant, and we'll be trying products from them in the future, but they are just so expensive and I can't afford them right now, but when I can, that's why I can't afford expensive products, because I drop everything. This is the dry shampoo by Way Hair Care, and I liked this for an amount of time. It was good and I used it all, so no money wasted. It was good while I had it, but I just found something that was better. You'll see, I found something better. While we're talking about the dry shampoo, let me show you what is better than the Way Dry Shampoo. The Original Scent Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo. This stuff is so good. If you don't like the white cast in your hair, you won't like this. This keeps my oil away. No joke, I can go a week without washing my hair. I know that's really gross, but I'm admitting it just because this is so good. I feel like this is better than washing my hair every single day. I buy them in bulk when Sephora has their sales. Both of these products are amazing and good, but I would recommend the Drybar more because it's just something that's worked better for me. All right, while we're on the topic of hair, let's talk about the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask, because I've gone through yet another one of these. Completely gone. I don't know if you can see. Just got water everywhere. They keep out a lot of harsh ingredients in their products, and Briogeo is just a good brand. I highly recommend them to those of you. I'm sure you all have heard of them before. I definitely will purchase this again. I'm just trying to find new hair products and new brands out there. So I'm currently trying a new hair care brand that I am excited to talk about probably in future videos because I've been really excited with the results that I've seen so far. But definitely would recommend this brand to you guys. I feel like it really nourishes and strengthens my hair. We've got a little sample of the energy boosting Ginzing, which I've already talked about. The Urban Decay Primer Potion. I've gone through a couple of these. It makes my eyeshadow last longer. I really do like the Morphe Translucent Eye Primer. It's much more affordable, but this is just a classic eye primer that I know will work. Here's the lid to my Morphe setting spray. This is another product from the Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Kiss lip balm. I will be repurchasing this come the VIB sale. I liked this better than my Agave by Beauty lip balm. Way better. These are a perfect combination for the summer, you guys. Here I have the Colourpop Brow Bust Pencil in light brown, and I really do like these brow pencils from Colourpop. They're affordable. These aren't as creamy as the Anastasia brow is, but they're a good alternative if you plan on saving money. They do smudge a little bit towards the end of the day, but honestly it's not a big deal because it's not that noticeable. But paired with the Brow Boss gel, these things are bomb. I've gone through the Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara by Lancome, and I really do like this stuff. I don't think I would actually purchase it just because I think there's so many other affordable mascaras out there that you don't have to pay like $30 for. I really did like this mascara. I think it was volumizing, I felt like my lashes were longer, but honestly, I can get the same look with this through my Colourpop Volumizing Mascara, and that's the Volumizing Mascara I believe is $8 and this is like $30. This is great for traveling, by the way. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I feel like it lasts really well in my waterline, and I do have a backup of this. This is a sample size that I like to take with me when I travel, but if you wanted a more affordable option, there is the LA Girl Glide On Gel Pencil in black that works just as well and lasts almost as long. Bath & Body Works Jasmine Vanilla Body Wash and Foam Bath in Sensual, and the Aromatherapy Sleep in Lavender and Vanilla. This is a body wash and foam bath. I'm sure a ton of you have heard of these, and I love these. I have a couple more in my bathroom closet, and yeah, I will continue to purchase these because I love them. This video is really long. Alright, I have a couple candles here. I've got the Spiced Gingerbread, which I mentioned in one of my favorites, and a friend gave this to me, the winter scent, and I loved both of these, and I completely burned through them. Here's my forever favorite Leaves candle that I burned through. I have a couple more makeup products. I've got the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This stuff is awesome. It is full coverage, man. It is full coverage. And when I can afford it, yes, I would love to get the right shade in this. And then I have the Amerique Mineral Powder Foundation in Ivory 1, and I've been wearing this since I was like 13. This was like my first makeup brand that I was introduced to. It reminds me a little bit of Bare Minerals, of their powder foundation, but I really do like this powder foundation. I have a backup of it. I feel like it's nice if you don't want to wear foundation in the summer. You can just dust a little bit of this on your face and you are good to go. Last but not least, my coffee. It's a little bit embarrassing, but I've gone through 3 bags of the Tally Ho coffee. Oh, just kidding, 4. I've got the Christopher's Blend, William Penn, Hill and Dale, and William Penn. By far, the William Penn blend from the Tally Ho coffee is for sure my favorite. I have a couple of those sitting in my coffee cabinet at this very moment, and I am currently drinking it right now. Check out their website. I love Tally Ho coffee. I had a friend introduce this to me, so all the credit should go to my friend Hannah for introducing this brand to me. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about that because y'all know that I love coffee. If you don't know that I love coffee, now you know. They have this amazing coffee shop in Pensacola, Florida called the Drowsy Poet. Love their peppermint mocha blend. My parents gave this to me, to my husband and I for Christmas, and they know us well because we love our peppermint mocha come Christmas time. That is everything in my Sephora bag. That is all of my empties products, you guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this type of video. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.